Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kayla, and in today's video, I'm sharing my sweet potato waffle breakfast sandwiches. And let me tell you, you are going to love these. They are super delicious, and what I love most about them is that they're very flexible. You can add whatever fillings you like. Today, I'm gonna add some greens, some scrambled egg, avocado, and tomato, but feel free to add some breakfast sausage, bacon, turkey bacon, whatever floats your boat. And keep in mind, this recipe is gluten-free, grain-free, and paleo-friendly. All right, let's jump right in. I'm gonna show you how to make them. I'm gonna start by peeling the sweet potatoes. Then let's cut them into wedges. You wanna make sure that they can fit into the chute of a food processor. Next up, I'm adding the grating tool to my food processor, and we're gonna run the potato wedges through the chute to grate the potatoes. And by the way, the grating tool does come with most food processors when you purchase it. Alright, now let's add the grated sweet potato to a bowl, along with some eggs, coconut flour, and a pinch of sea salt and pepper. Go ahead and give that a good mix. Then separate the mixture into 2 equal parts. Next up, I'm going to heat up my waffle iron, and I like to spray it with a non-stick cooking spray, so today I'm using some coconut oil. And once the iron is hot, go ahead and add half of the potato mixture to the waffle iron and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it's fully cooked through. And this waffle is done, so I'm going to set it aside and cook one more waffle. Alright, once the waffles are done, let's cut it into 4 sections. And now it's time to assemble the sandwiches. You can add whatever fillings you like to your sandwiches, but today I'm going to add some arugula, scrambled eggs, avocado, and tomato, sprinkled with a little bit of dried parsley. And that is it. You have yourself a delicious sweet potato waffle breakfast sandwich. Well, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button below for more healthy recipes and content. And until then, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.